In today's video, we're going to show you how to create email addresses using only alphabetical characters, eliminating any apostrophes. Let's start with an example. Imagine you have a user's first and last name like John O'Brien, and you want to create an email address in the format firstname.lastname@domain.com. In our example, we'll be working with this format, user's first name plus user last name plus @domain.com. In John O'Brien's case, it would initially look like this: johnobrien@domain.com. As we want to remove the apostrophe from the last name, we'll use a simple expression that can be found in the description below. Replace domain with your actual domain name. Applying this to our example, John O'Brien becomes john.o'briendomain.com. The apostrophe is now gone, creating a clean, simple email format. And remember to click on Save. You've just learned how to use a string function to exclude apostrophes and keep only alphabetical characters and email addresses. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to like and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest help resources.